In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email address on Wizz Air. Keeping your email up to date is essential because that's where you'll receive booking confirmations, check-in reminders, schedule changes, and receipts. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can make the change with confidence. First, open the Wizz Air website in your browser. Look to the top right corner of the page for your name or profile icon. Click it to open your account area. If you don't see your name, you may not be signed in yet. Just continue and the site will guide you to log in before you can access your profile. Once you're in your account, you'll be on your profile page where your personal and contact information is stored. Inside your profile, find the contact details section. This is where your current email address is displayed. To make changes, click the small pencil icon next to your contact information. That pencil is the universal edit button on the site. Clicking it switches the field into edit mode so you can type directly in the email box. Take your time here and make sure you're editing the correct field labeled for email. Now type your new email address. Double check spelling, punctuation, and any dots or dashes. Email typos are the most common reason people miss important messages. Use an address you can access immediately. If the email is already linked to another Wizz Air account, the site may not allow the change, so consider freeing it up first if needed. It's also a good idea to remove accidental spaces before or after the address. When you're happy with the new email, click Save. The site may briefly validate the format, and for security, it could prompt you to confirm your account or re-enter your password. Simply follow any on-screen instructions. In some cases, Wizz Air may send a verification message to the new email. Keep your browser tab open, check your inbox, including the spam or promotions folder, and complete any verification steps if requested. This ensures your notifications start going to the correct address. After saving, you should see the updated email reflected in the contact details section. That visual confirmation means the change has been recorded. If you run into an error, try refreshing the page and entering the address again carefully, or switch to a desktop browser for a smoother edit experience. And remember, using a personal, long-term email can help you avoid future updates. That's it. Your Wizz Air email address is updated, and you're all set to receive your travel information in the right place.